All right, I got the Grelife 1500 watt space heater. It's a space heater. It is 24 inches tall from top to bottom. It's about 5 inches wide right here and about 7 inches wide right here. When you receive this, it comes packed really nice in a box, and you're gonna have to take it out and you're gonna have to assemble this base. But it's pretty easy to assemble. And I'm gonna give you the trick to it right here. These are two pieces right here. They come separately. Before you put it on the machine, you attach the two pieces separately, snap them into place. You're gonna pull the cable through the hole right here. It sits on the base, and there's 4 slots on here. Really simple. You sit it on here, you just lock it into place, slide your cable through this hole, and you are good to go. It comes with a set of instructions, and it comes with a quick start guide that explains exactly what I just told you here, how to put this base on. Pretty simple to use. Comes with a remote control, and the remote control is a little plastic piece inside of it you're going to pull out to activate the battery. And on here we've got all kinds of different functions. We've got a power button on here. And any function that the remote control can do can also be done on the front panel. And because of that, it's got a child lock feature on here that you can press, and it will lock the machine down. Little hands can't get on there and change the temperature on you, but let me hit the power button here, and hopefully you can see this. And I'll go through the features. Obviously, like I said, you got a power button on here. 3 different temperature settings. We've got low, we've got high, and we've got an eco mode. And when you're in the eco mode, that's the only one that you can use to change the temperature on. You set the temperature wherever you want it, and it'll keep it continuously at that temperature. It has an oscillation feature. You can press this the oscillation button on the remote control, and it'll go 75 degrees. It also has a nightlight feature on here. You press the nightlight button on here. So if you're using it in your bedroom at night, you got an optional nightlight. It's got a high, a low, and the third time turns it off. And this space heater also features a 12-hour timer on here, so you set the timer button, and you can set the timer anywhere from 1 to 12 hours if you wanted to. If you forget about it and leave it running, it's got a 15-hour shut-off, automatic shut-off after 15 hours. And it also has tip protection. If it falls over, it'll shut itself off. Another cool feature of this thing is when you're done with the remote control, it's got a little slot in the top, so it just sits right in there. So this thing will kick out about a 7-foot range with its oscillation and everything, and it's working pretty good in here. So if you're looking for a space heater for your home, your office, your bedroom, wherever, check out this one by Grelife. Check it out.